Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Reja Liana.
My name is Indah Hinanda. My name is Mutia Nandru.
My name is Muhammad Ramadan.
We are from the group of 7. Here we will explain about the role of Wali Songo in the spread of Islam in Java.
An explanation of the role of Wali Songo in the process of spreading Islam in Indonesia. The term wali comes from Arabic, which means beloved, helper, and leader. Wali Songo here means a group of people or a kind of dakwah council who have the right to teach Islam to the Islamic community in the archipelago at the time. The names of the 9 Wali Songo who are generally known are Sunan Maulana Malik Ibrahim or Sunan Gresik, Sunan Ampel, Sunan Giri or also known as Raden Paku, Sunan Gunung Jati or Syarif Hidayatullah or also known as Fatahillah, Sunan Muria or Raden Said, Sunan Kudus or also known as Syekh Jafar Siddiq, Sunan Derajat or Raden Kasim, Sunan Kalijaga who was also called Raden Masyahid, Sunan Bonang or Raden Ibrahim.
Wali Songo's history is related of the spread of Islamic da'wah in Java. The glorious success of the Guardian struggles was recorded with gold ink, supported by the Sultanate of Demak bin Toro. Islam was then embraced by most Javanese people, starting from urban, rural, and mountainous areas. Islam is truly a deeply rooted religion. The saints, both mosques, either as place of worship or as place of teaching religion. It is said that teaching religion in the foyer of this mosque is the oldest educational institution in Java, which is more democratic in nature. It's a beginning of the development of Islam. Such a system was called Gurukula, i.e., a teacher conveyed his teaching to several who sat in front of him. Its nature is not mass and even secret like what was done by Sheikh Siti Jenar.
In addition to the principle of faith in Islam, worship on moral issues is also taught the decision of Kanuragan, immunity, and self-defense. Actually, Wali Songo is the name of Dakwah Council or Missionary Council orders. The Wali Songo era was the era of the end of the Hindu-Buddhist domination in the culture of the archipelago to be replaced with Islamic culture. They are a symbol of the spread of Islam in Indonesia, especially in Java. Of course, many other figures also played a role. However, they very large a role in the education of the Islamic kingdom in Java, as well as its influence on the culture of society at large and direct dakwah. But these 9 guardians more mentioned than others. These 9 guardians had a very important role in the spread of Islam on the island of Java. In the 15th century, the role of Wali Songo in the spread of Islam, among others.
1. As a pioneer in the spread of Islam to people who are not familiar with Islamic teachings in their respective regions. 2. As a fighter who was present in defending and developing the religion of Islam during his lifetime. 3. As a people who are expert in the field of Islam. 4. As a person who is close to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because he continues to worship Him, so that he has more abilities. 5. As the leader of the Islamic religion in their respective distribution areas, who have quite a lot of followers in the Islamic community. 6. As a teacher of Islam, who is present in teaching Islam to his students. 7. As a Kiai who master the teaching of Islam widely. 8. As a respected Islamic community leader during his lifetime.
The conclusion is the 9 wali are Islamic figures who are respected in Indonesia, especially on the island of Java, because of their historical role in the spread of Islam in Indonesia. Each member of the Wali Songo is associated with the title Sunan is Javanese. This context means honorable. Most of the guardians were also nicknamed Raden during their lifetime because they were of aristocratic descent. The tomb of the saint are respected by Javanese people as pilgrimage site in Java as a form of gratitude for the benefit and intercession that they practiced during their lifetime. In Japanese tradition, the tomb has the term Punden.
That's the presentation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.